Korea Forging is a company specializing in the production of hot forging products and post-heat processing treatment. We produce a wide range of products from plant equipment parts to automotive parts with the purpose of producing the best quality, hot forging and heat treatment. And it is our pride that the best quality, worthy of the name of Korea Forging, is always leaping in innovation. Korea Forging has grown exponentially since its establishment in 2004. With the expertise and know-how of our skilled technicians, we continue to develop our industry through the ability to produce a variety of sizes, from small to large, obtaining various certifications such as ISO 9001, Quality System, ISO 14001, and continuous research and development activities. We have flexible manufacturing systems and systems that enable standardized and efficient manufacturing operations. Six-ton hydraulic drop hammer enables high productivity and high-quality products with high-impact energy and fast forging molding through the constant pressure of hammer's freefall and hydraulic pressure, and establishes an energy-saving forging production system to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and reduce costs. We can produce a small variety of products from various industries such as plants, shipbuilding, automotive parts. We produce uniform and high-quality products by automating the heat treatment line for automobile parts using robots. In addition, we can respond quickly to various heat treatments such as solution heat treatment of special steel like stainless steel and duplex steel, quenching and tempering, normalizing, etc. We are trusted for our excellent quality and high reliability by using a short process and magnetic spectroscopy for scale removal of products generated during forging and heat treatment processes, where we conduct a magnetic particle testing to detect the surface itself and its defects. We will continue to take future challenges and create innovation, having in mind that our customers' growth is our own. Korea Forging.